Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Excel Workshop, and today we will learn how to add numbers in Excel. So friends, adding in Excel is easy. You just have to create a simple formula to do it. Just remember that all formulas in Excel begin with an equal sign, and you can use the formula bar to create them. Friends, you can add numbers by using two methods. First, you can add two or more numbers in one cell. For example, you need to put numbers in one cell like 50, 10, 5 and 3, and you need to just hit the enter and you will get the result. And the second method is add numbers using cell references. For that you need to give the cell references so that the system can calculate the numbers. So friends, let's go to the practical part. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it. Please like my videos and share it. So friends, as you can see a sheet over here, I have defined three methods: method 1, method 2 and method 3. So we'll start with method 1. How to add numbers by method 1. You need to click on a blank cell, then you need to put an equal sign. Now you need to put the value manually. Like I need to add these three numbers, so I need to put 500 first, then need to put a plus sign, then 200 plus sign, and then 500, and you need to just hit the enter key. Now the result is here. 1200 is our result, so you can add as much as you want. So friends, let's go to method number 2, which is a cell reference method. You need to put an equal sign and you need to provide a cell reference. Like my cell reference will be E4, so I just need to click on E4, then plus sign, E5, then plus sign, and last one is E6, and you just need to hit the enter key. Then you will get the desired result. Friends, let's go to method number 3, which is a formula function which called sum function. So we will use sum function over here. We need to put an equal sign, then use sum, then bracket will start. You just need to click on first value, keep the left button pressed and drag it to the desired cell. Okay, so I have 3 cells over here, so I need to close bracket and then enter. Then I will have final result. So friends, here you see how we can add numbers by using 3 different methods. So please let me know if you have any question. Please do subscribe my channel and like my video, and please share it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.